Hello, hi viewers, welcome back to our channel. So this is the Rajasthan State Assistant Professor exam question paper. So this video is helpful for upcoming KSET 2026 exam. So question number 4, a wave is incident normally on a good conductor if the frequency of a electromagnetic wave 4 times the skin depth will. So skin depth means when a electromagnetic wave is defined, skin depth del is defined as the depth at which the field falls to 1 by eighth of its surface value. So del equal to 2 by omega mu. Since omega equal to 2 phi f, del inversely proportional to square root of frequency. So we can calculate frequency is 4 times increase. That means del by 2. So the right answer option 4, decrease by factor of 2. Next question, the intrinsic impedance of free space. So intrinsic impedance of a free space eta is denoted by eta. Is defined as the intrinsic impedance of a free space is defined as the ratio of electric field intensity to the magnetic field intensity of a plane electromagnetic wave propagating in a free space. So the formula is eta equal to E by H. It represents how free space opposes the propagation of electromagnetic wave. So when an electromagnetic wave travels in a free space, the electric field and magnetic field are always perpendicular to each other and to the direction of propagation. The constant ratio E by H depends only on the properties of the medium. For free space, this ratio is fixed and is called the intrinsic impedance of free space. So for any medium, intrinsic impedance is eta equal to square root of mu by epsilon. Mu is the permeability and epsilon is the permittivity. So when you put the values in this formula, that is 4 pi into 10 to the minus 7 divided by 8.85 into 10 to the minus 12. So we can simplify this. We will get 125 ohm and its numerical value 377 ohm. So here the right answer option number 4. But in option number 4 is not given. The right answer option number 3. So both are correct. Next question, Lorentz force law is. So options F equal to Q into E, F equal to V cross P, F equal to Q into V plus V cross P, and F equal to Q into V cross P. The Lorentz law states that a charged particle moving in the presence of electromagnetic field E and magnetic field B experience a force given by F equal to Q into E plus V cross B. Q is the charge, F is the total force on the charge, Q is the charge of the particle, E is the electric field intensity, V is the velocity of charge, B is the magnetic flux density. The electric field can change the speed of the particle. The magnetic field can change only the direction of motion, since the force is perpendicular to velocity. So the Lorentz force explains how charged particles move in a electromagnetic fields, straight lines, curves or circles depending on electric field, magnetic field and velocity. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. Thank you.